I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@BCGroupIntl.com.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Biomed. Today I'm sitting here and I'm experimenting with some new updates to the firmware on the SA2600. And that's one of the things I learned is that unlike many other manufacturers and many other devices that I've used throughout my career, the BC groups are in a constant state of development. So when there's new experimental features, they get pushed out to me, I can test them out, and if they're really good, we'll implement them for you guys. And then today, I also found out that many of your BC Group products, when you send them in to get calibrated or repaired, they're automatically going to get the latest and greatest firmware, which is pretty cool stuff. So folks, I'm just letting you know that we are constantly developing these products, constantly trying to make them better, to give you more bang for your buck. They can do many, many things you probably had no clue that they could do. And I'm here to help you figure out what those things are. So folks, stay tuned. We're going to continue pushing out many of these updates for these devices. I've got a whole fleet of equipment that's going to be here on site in the next couple days, and I'm very excited for that because we're going to experiment with those and do a whole bunch of videos on all those products as well. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.